Justin here with TechTeachingTips.com, helping teachers find the best technology resources without breaking the bank or wasting time. Today, I'm going to show you how to use polling in Zoom to help with some of your online assessments during your classes. Tech Teaching Tips, helping teachers find the best technology resources without breaking the bank or wasting time. So what I've done is I've opened up my Zoom application, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the settings icon up here, and it'll bring up all of my general settings. And to do this, you need to go to your online Zoom portal. Easiest way to get there is to click on View More Settings. So that brings up my Zoom portal right here on the web. And what I want to do is click on the Meetings tab. This will work in your personal room or in your meetings that you have scheduled already. So I'm going to have I'm going to do this in my upcoming meeting here. So I click on my upcoming meeting. And what you want to do is you're going to scroll down here all the way down to the bottom where you have polling. And then you can see I've created a poll already. What I want to do is I want to click Add. That'll bring up the polling interface where I can title my poll. Maybe this is an assessment of some kind you're doing on the fly. Maybe this is just a how was your weekend? Give me a, good, great, bad, ugly, whatever. So I'm going to put in a poll here titled, how was your weekend? And you can have this be anonymous, or you can leave it as B so that you can track who's doing what here. So I'm just going to say, how was your weekend? And then you can do a single choice or multiple choice. I'm going to do a single choice here. So answer number 1 is great. Answer number 2 is good. I can do answer number 3 is fine. And answer number 4 is I wish it was still Saturday. And then you can just have a little fun with that. Then you can either add a question or you can hit save. So I'm going to add another question. Did you go outside? And you just do yes or no. Let's add a third question. Let's make this a multiple choice here. So let's ask, what movie did you see? You can come up with anything here. No movies, Marvel movies, Lego movies, and let's just do 3 on that one. And then I'm going to hit save. And now you can see there's my 3 questions right there. If you want to go back and add more, you just hit edit and you can add more questions. You can rename your poll, whatever you want. Just hit save when you're done so it saves automatically. Now, to launch this poll, you're going to start your meeting. I'm just going to click Start Meeting from my online portal, and it will bring up my Zoom interface right there. And you can see I have a poll down here all ready to go. Let me start my video. There I am. So I've got this poll down here ready to go. Now you'll notice I've only got 1 participant, but I can click on poll. And I can select my poll that I did. Remember, I had 2 polls up there. So I'm going to click how was your weekend? And then you can see all of these answers pop up. All you have to do is hit launch polling. And then this will pop up in front of your students and they can answer all of the questions and you can see the results in real time. Then just hit end polling. And then you can relaunch the poll later. Maybe it's a yes/no question. You're asking a lot of yes/no questions, and you need to be able to track that. And then you can hit share results so that all of the attendees are now seeing the results. And then just hit stop share results. And then you can close out of polls. That's how you use polling in Zoom. Super easy, super simple. Give it a try. If you like what you see in this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button and leave me a comment below.